Well, I've got him. Ladies and gentlemen, you are so fortunate. Here's another Old Buckenham debut. Frédéric Akary, Mistral Warbirds, the F-86 Sabre. Post-war, the United States Air Force had the knotty problem of how to replace the P-51 Mustang. They, of course, turned to North American aviation, and the result you see in front of you now. State-of-the-art jet engines and state-of-the-art swept-wing technology having been devised by the technicians of the Luftwaffe during the last years of the war. The prototype first flew in October 1947 and went on to a very, very long line of production. Cleaned up and fast. It's an enviable jet dogfighter. With delays on Britain's own swept-wing fighter program, the incredible Hawker Hunter, the Royal Air Force operated Sabres 1953 to 56, and they've been widely used throughout the world. This machine is a Canada-built Sabre Mk.6. It first served with the post-war West German Luftwaffe. In its later years, served as a target tug. I'll be talking more about target tugs later on. 1979, it was bought by British collector Ormond Hayden Bailey, and then joined Flight Systems Incorporated in the United States, where again it was used for target facilities work. From your right, withdrawn from service in the late 1990s. You can't keep a good Sabre down. It was restored in the United States in 2006. The colour scheme you see on it today. That's the American 461st Fighter Squadron, based in Germany in the mid-90s. Down goes the nose, up comes the energy from your left.